All right, so here we are under Danny's 54 Chev. We have the pry bar up under. We got our mount out. Scotty, show us that mount and how icky poo poo it is.
I definitely would like to recommend.
Verkocht.
Yeah, it's.
Needs a trans mount. Faux show.
This?
What are you doing?
So.
Anyway.
What is this?
Okay, so.
That's a hooker. Have you not seen a hooker?
Oh, I have.
That's for
But
radiator hoses.
But we're not talking about that right now.
That's
So
a
we
hooker
have-
for your hose. Quit
don't-
throwing
so
my
we
hose
have-
hooker.
so we
I
have-
don't know what's in my...
It's a hose hooker.
So we have the
Scotty?
mount out.
Yes. I've got this trans cooler line off, and I can now access the other one because we have room.
I just took the mount out.
Yep.
So this.
Burnsy's got the shift linkage. Are you done with that yet, Burnsy?
I have one. That's what I was getting a tool over here for. So
And
Your tool.
just a quick reminder, Danny, this is what we're trying to avoid undoing. If you want to show him the lines and everything as to how they
Yes.
are. We're trying to avoid undoing all of that.
So we're going to see what we can do, because what we're undoing now, all of this has to come out anyway. So it's not adding to, but it might potentially subtract from the bill,
Yeah.
but we're not adding to it in any way. We're doing things that need to get done.
Yeah. So it's
And where it's actually up on a lift a day ahead of schedule, because it was originally scheduled to go Wednesday.
right.
So I
So
said,
we're doing good. We're doing good.
But-
But the goal is, if you want to, your transmission's in your car like this with your mount underneath. We've only got like that much room. So with the mount out, we've got that much room.
yes.
So the goal is to hopefully push it all the way back,
Be able to slide
where
it back
stops,
enough
and then bring
drop
it down and bring it out. We don't know. Legitimately, we don't know. I've never worked on something like this, so I'm learning as I'm going. But it's one step at a time. Bag tag, zip strap, the whole 9 yards, so that we know we're good. But I think.
we're supposed to be bagging things? I'm just kidding.
So I think if we just stay hyper focused and
Vigilant.
yes, that's the word I was looking for.
What's that mean?
We should be able to get this out. I'm
Vigilante.
hoping today, but to give you an idea, Danny, this
This was fun to fuck with. That's a heavy bitch, dude. You're like
I don't
hanging-
know if you can even get me.
Scotty's basically hanging off of it.
There we go.
I'm just now getting it up.
You're just now getting it up. You're not rubbing it the right way. You need a twink.
That is
Do you
that
need a
was that
twink?
was that was yesterday.
Would a twink help you get it up?
But I'm bumped. So just so that you're aware, Danny, this is a stupid heavy transmission.
Yeah, it's cast iron. And
so
then it has
I'm
all this
thinking-
we discussed.
Maybe we see if next door has a transmission jack
Yes,
that we can kind of roll it down onto. I think that might
It's
be
holding
the
something up
easiest
over
route.
there, isn't it?
No, this thing doesn't go up high enough for your lift.
Yeah, that's true.
So that's the only problem.
Well, the other
Transmission
problem
jack
is-
he has is for big boy lifts.
Oh crap!
And the other problem is this. It might not even work out the way we want it to work out. So,
Yeah.
but we still need to disconnect all the stuff that we're already disconnecting. So
Right, so
we're
it's
not
not- yeah.
losing anything.
Yeah, we're not losing any time. We're not. The goal is just to try and make it more efficient.
But this one time, bank can.
Yeah. Or in
Okay.
Berman back in '42,
Oh, that was a good time.
right? The piano bars, a couple of guacaludes and some wine. It's fabulous. Oh, we're on film. Sorry. I'm sorry.
I was thinking about some good-looking gals and high heels and red dresses.
Fishnets. Oh, something about. Oh, well, I mean, oh.
Scotty,
Whoopsie. Sorry.
I heard you like wearing heels, fishnets, and red dresses, Scotty.
Cockshably and dancing.
Oh God. Anyway, all right, back to work. But
All right, Danny.
we
Now
will
that we're
update.
back to being serious, we got it.
We're never serious.
This is true.
We are.
But we'll do what we can. We'll get it.
All right.
All right, and break.